Hi there, Mrs. Lindquist here. So we're going to finish up with our 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if this is 30 degrees, then this angle here must be 60 degrees. Our short leg we're going to label as S. The longer leg across from 60 degrees is going to be S root 3. And our hypotenuse is always going to be 2S. So it will always be double the short leg. So our short leg is going to be labeled S. Our long leg is S root 3, which is the short leg times root 3. And our hypotenuse is 2S, which is double the short leg. So for example, if our short leg was 10, then our long leg would be 10 times root 3. And our hypotenuse would be 2 times 10, which would be 20. So let's look at example A. Find the missing side lengths exactly, rationalize denominators. So again, I'm going to label my ratios. My short leg is going to be S. My long leg across from 60 is going to be S times root 3. And my hypotenuse is always going to be 2S. So what are we given here? We're given 2, which is the short leg. So we know that S is equal to 2. Once we know that, we're able to figure out the other sides. So this length would have to be, if S is 2, then this length would have to be 2 root 3. And this length here would have to be 2 times 2, which is 4. So what are we looking for? We're looking for side length V and U. So side length V, the long leg, is 2 times the square root of 3, and U, which is the hypotenuse, is 4. All right, so let's take a look at example B. So again, our short leg is across from 30 degrees, which will be S. Our long leg is across from 60 degrees, so that would be S root 3. And our hypotenuse is 2S. So what we're given here is we're given the long leg, and we know that S root 3 must be equal to 12. So S root 3 has to equal 12. In order to figure out what S is and 2S, we need to solve this for S. So we're going to divide both sides by the square root of 3. So that will cancel, and we're going to have S is equal to 12 divided by the square root of 3. Now we need to rationalize our denominator, so we're going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. So that is going to give us 12 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3, which is root 9, which ultimately becomes 3. And then as if you can see here, we can do 12 divided by 3. We divide by 3, so this is going to become 4 root 3. So S is going to be 4 times the square root of 3. This length here is going to become 4 root 3. And our hypotenuse is going to become 2 times S, which is 4 root 3. So my hypotenuse is going to become 8 root 3. So for my final answer, I am going to say that X is equal to 8 root 3. And Y is equal to 4 root 3. All right, so I want you to pause this video and I want you to try example C, and then we're going to come back and discuss it. Okay, so you should have labeled your short leg as S, your long leg across from 60 is S root 3, and your hypotenuse is 2S. So the side that they're giving us here is the 8 root 5. So we know that 2S has to be equal to 8 root 5. And now we need to solve for S. So we're going to divide both sides by 2, and S is going to become 4 root 5. So we know that this length right here, the short leg, is going to be 4 times the square root of 5. And then to get this leg, the long leg, we are going to have to substitute this in. So S is 4 root 5. So we're going to take this and we're going to substitute that in for S. So we're going to have 4 root 5, and then we're going to times that by root 3. We're going to have 4 times the square root of 5 times 3, which would be 15. So X is going to be 4 roots of 15, and Y is going to be 4 root 5. That's our short leg. So we have our short leg and we have our long leg. Okay, so that's a wrap on special right triangles. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, contact me via Schoology or Remind. All right, have a wonderful day.